Rinig po? You guys see the piano? May mga times sa buhay natin na sinasaktan tayo. Tama ba? Hindi natin alam bakit tayo sinasaktan. Pero we take in all the pain, tama po ba? Anong excuse? Anong sabi nila sa inyo? It's not you? Yo! So uuwi ka na lang sa bahay, makikinig ka na lang ng Spotify. Tapos yung iyak mo parang dito namumuo sa throat. Kasi hindi mo alam bakit ka iniwan na minamahal mo sa buhay. Yo! Tapos may isa talagang naligaw na kanta. Pagkapakinig mo, it's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. Should be over you, should know better, but it's just not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Sakit naman nun? Hindi ko lang masasakit. Gusto ko masaya. Sinong naniniwala sa forever? Meron forever? Dito naman, may forever na. Yes? Forever mo, parang ka nabulutang. Titignan mo na lang siya sa mga mata. Sasabihin mo sa kanya, it's undeniable. We should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say I'm forever. The basics we need to know. We don't know just how to feel. Show you now that I'm for real. If all things in time will reveal. Everyone in Vancouver say 2, 3, girl, it's plain to see. You're the only one for me. 4 big steps, 1, 2, 3, 5. Make me fall in love with me. If ever I believe my world is done, then I start back. Ituloy ko pa ba? Just one, you're like a dream. Just wanna be with you. 3, you're it's plain to see. You're the only one for me. 4, 8 steps, 1, 2, 3, 5. Make me fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then it's gone back. I want Pero pag nahanap mo lang yung minamahal mo sa buhay, sasabihin ko sa tatay niya ito. So I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. Bear with me please if I take up so much of your time. Seeing this boxes of rainbow feathers just by everything. And all I know is to be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. Very soon I'm hoping that as we walk down the aisle, the arm of her father. From the day that I married my daughter, first time I saw her, I swear I knew that I'd say I do. Come where we go, make my way. I want her to be the only girl that I'll love for the rest of my life, and give her the best of me till the day that I die. Come marry the princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. Can't wait to smile as I walk down the aisle, the arm of her father. From the day that I married your daughter. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jay! Thank you, Jay! At sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat. I won't take up so much of your time. So, pasensya na po, medyo napahaba, pasensya na.